Hi everyone, my name is Charlotte Wickham and welcome to my course, Building Your First R Shiny Application. I'm an educator and freelance data scientist. Shiny is an R package that helps you build interactive and professional web applications from R. Shiny apps are a great way to share your analyses with the world without requiring your users to have anything more than a web browser. In this course, we are going to build a realistic Shiny app from scratch. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the structure of Shiny apps, the most common input and output components, practices for keeping your app code simple and organized, and deploying your Shiny app to the web. By the end of the course, you'll have built a fully functioning Shiny app and published it to the web. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with data analysis in R and writing functions in R, but I'll assume you've never used Shiny before. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Shiny with the Building Your First R Shiny Application course at Pluralsight.